Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be solving the problem of reducing the rational expression x squared minus 64 divided by x minus 8 to lowest terms. I will walk you through the step-by-step process to simplify this expression. So let's get started. First, observe that the numerator of the rational expression x squared minus 64 is a difference of squares. The difference of squares can be factored out as follows. X squared minus 64 is equivalent to x plus 8 times x minus 8. Therefore, in this step, the original rational expression x squared minus 64 all over x minus 8 can be rewritten as x plus 8 times x minus 8 all over x minus 8. This successfully factors the numerator while leaving the denominator unchanged. Next, observe that both the numerator and denominator of the fraction contain the factor x minus 8. Since we have the term x plus 8 times x minus 8 all over x minus 8, we can cancel the common factor x minus 8 from both the numerator and the denominator. This leaves us with simply x plus 8. Therefore, the rational expression x squared minus 64 over x minus 8 reduces to x plus 8. This is the final step, and the expression is now in its simplest form.